Another really interesting scene in The Lincoln Lawyer from a trial lawyer's perspective that, again, blink and you miss it. It doesn't seem that exciting in the theater or at home watching it, but it's really important. When a family member wants to be in on meetings, strategy sessions, wants to hear how the case is going to be planned and tried, wants to hear about what witnesses are saying. Have you ever had, Brandy, to tell a client, like, look, they can't be here. Like, we've got to be able to talk confidentially?
I get that all of the time, and I think part of it is people want someone there for moral support. And in my experience, most of the time, once you explain this is for their own protection, girlfriend, mom, sister, you got to wait in the lobby, usually they're okay with it.
Yeah, the other thing that, aside from breaching attorney-client privilege communication and all the protections that provides, the other thing having a family member involved does, if the family member asks a lot of questions, and sometimes they'll ask good questions, I'm not trying to say that that's not ever appropriate, but if you have different family members asking similar questions, sometimes I have to tell a client, you're going to double or triple your legal fees. If I have to explain everything we're doing to your dad and your mom and your uncle, it tends to get, we're repeating ourselves, and we have to kind of go over this, multiple times. It can tend to drive up legal bills.
Yeah, absolutely.